Good morning everyone. Today let's do the first impression of the Smoky Rose collection. As you all know, this came a while ago. It had one gloss and two Shadow Sense colors. So when you buy as a collection, you get this beautiful mauve tint bag and you can pretty much hold so many things. This is always, I always say, whenever you travel or even for if you are going to office or something, this makes a perfect nice thing. And if you have kids, they always love these kind of bags. Even as a pencil bag, school bag, you can anytime use this. So it came with two colors, two Shadow Sense colors and one gloss. So there is no Lip Sense colors in this collection. So one is the Stone Shimmer, which is like a taupe gray. The other one is a smoky taupe, which is a smoky taupe. Obviously it's like a matte. This one is a matte color, whereas this is a shimmer shade. And here we have rosewood, which is like a pinkish gloss. So let's first do the gloss and then let's take let's do an eye look with the other two colors. So these kind of glosses would be really nice for an everyday wear. I always suggest to have even one layer of lip sense underneath, or you can just go as it is. This will complement many of the pinks that you have. Even it will go well on top of purples like Amore, Napa or anything. Basically there is no rules, so you can top with any lip sense color with any gloss. So that way having one lip sense color, but you can have more glosses. That way you can change the consistency, color a little bit, and it's just to seal the color, but also you can use it as individually. Only lip sense cannot work on its own, whereas gloss can be worn by itself. Only thing is it will not stay all day like lip sense. It will smudge. So but if you are like on the go and quick grab, then these kind of glosses will really work. And now that we are going for winter month, this will act as your lip balm too, because it comes with vitamin E and shea butter. So that way you will keep your lips really moisturized throughout the day. If you see here, I have used at least 2 or 3 coats for the color to show up in the video. But if you are want a very subtle one, you can just go with one layer. That way it will be really light. I always make sure I do 2 or 3 layers so that the color can show up in pictures and videos. So this is the rosewood gloss. Let's go with the Shadow Sense colors. These two colors will be really perfect for even beginners who want like a barely there shade. So these will not be too bold. These are everyday neutrals. So if you are into browns and all, they will look really nice. So first I'm going to use the smoky taupe in my crease. So as I was saying, this will be like a barely there shade. What I'm doing is I'm just doing it as my crease color. So what this is going to do is it's going to slightly add a tint, not a lot. And this is going to be my what is it like if you remember, we did the reverse liner look. This will be perfect for that, because here you will have like a very light shade. At the same time you can make the reverse eyeliner pop, and your eyes will have a very subtle shade. So that's what we are looking for. So now let's go over with the Stone Shimmer. Here I'm going to use Stone Shimmer as my all over lid shade. So both of them will be really light. So you can wear it for a everyday look, or you can mix with other colors to tone it down too. So here I'm just going to pat it down a little bit so that I can just blend it in my crease. So that's what I'm going to do. So that way this will give more like a silvery shimmer for an evening look, but at the same time it won't add ton of color to your eyes. So it will be little sparkly when compared to the other eye. At the same time it will be like more to like a subtle shimmer. That's what it is. So when you want the color to show up and not take much, what you do is you just blend out the corners and you let the color sit a while, that way it can dry a little bit, and just blend the corners. That's all you're going to do here. You can see I have layered another layer of the color, that way it can show up more. You can see this is just one layer, whereas here I let it sit a bit. That way when I go, I can just press it a little bit, and then I can blend out just the corners where the two colors meet. That way you can make the color to show up. So the same color, you can thin it out, or you can make it, layer it to show more. With Shadow Sense, that's the beauty. It's cream to powder, so you can layer as much you want the color to show up, and at the same time when you keep blending, it's going to make the color a little lighter. So this is perfect for an evening wear. It will look really nice, like when you look down and all, you will be able to see the shimmer. At the same time, it will be like a subtle glow, so that it doesn't have much color to pop. So to complement the gray tone, I'm just going to add the reverse liner we did. If you want to go back, you can see it. I did a separate video on that, where you can see how I did the reverse liner. That's what here I'm going to do. I'm just quickly doing that, and since the color is so subtle, this will just bring out the beauty of that shimmer. I'm just going to blend a bit, and then you can just take it out a little bit. That's all you need. Like, it's such a easy one to do, even for a beginner. And once you finish the mascara, it will make the eyes pop. And with a perfect black outfit or something, this will make any what is it, like a perfect dinner party whole look, which you can put it in less than 5 minutes. I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line. This will just finish the eyeliner look. If you want, you can also do eyeliner in your top lashes. This is, since it's a new trend, I'm just combining both of them. That's all it is. Like, you can always use the um, normal eyeliner trick. Let me just finish with mascara and show you the final look. And I can't wait to take pictures. I don't know whether you guys can see. It's so shimmery and it's so pretty. Like I wish I can, what is it, like the camera always has the capacity to pick it, because sometimes some of the colors, it's only until you see it in person you won't understand the beauty of the shade. So here is the completed look. I hope you love it. I would say this is like this stone shimmer is like a must have for anyone. You can pretty much mix with any color, even if you have like a garnet or even rust. I feel like you can mix this to give like that smoky kind of feel, or you can just use it in your outer corner to make it more shimmery, and I really love it. Like, I think it will be pretty good layering combo too, and such a easy color for you to get ready. Like how we will say, like a little black dress is for everyone and anyone should have. Similar way, I feel like this color is like that. Like when you wear it, I think you will be able to appreciate it more. And hope you love the collection. You can either buy it as a collection, or you can always grab them individually. So this is the rosewood gloss, and I did smoky taupe in my crease, and I did the stone shimmer all over the lid. Both of the colors you can use them individually. So for example, you can use this if you're a matte person. You can just use this color as a lid shade, or you can use this one as your overall one lid shade too. So that's how today I have used. I didn't want to add, for example, if I have to add more, I can even add onyx on the outer corner to make it bold. And there are plenty of ways for you to play with this color, and let me know how you like it. Have a wonderful day, guys. Also, don't forget to sign up for Kiss and Tell. Today is the last day, so I hope you can take advantage of that, and I'll be doing the giveaway in the coming days, so don't miss to be part of that.